Hello students. Last class we had discussed what a presentation is and what is the software used for presentation. The software used for presentation is MS PowerPoint. Today let us study how to launch MS PowerPoint. Launching MS PowerPoint. To launch or start Microsoft PowerPoint, go to the Start menu, All Programs, Microsoft Office, Microsoft PowerPoint, a blank PowerPoint windows appear. So first you need to go to the Start menu. When you click on this, you get a menu bar, so many things. In that all programs, click on all programs, you get one more sub menu, Microsoft Office. Click on that, you get one more sub menu saying Microsoft PowerPoint. When you click on that, you can get a blank PowerPoint windows on your screen. Let us take a look at MS PowerPoint window and its parts. Parts of MS PowerPoint window. So see this is a file. This four squares which is there. This is the file, save, undo, redo. So these are the quick access toolbars. These are the quick access toolbars. And here when you come, you can see presentation 1 Microsoft PowerPoint. This presentation 1 is the title given to your presentation. You can give as you wish. You can give it as chapter 1 or anything as you wish. You can give your name itself. So this is the title bar. And when you come here, you can see this menu bar. It has a home menu, insert, design, animation, slideshow, review, view. So these are the menu bars. And in this is called a ribbon. From top to until the menu bar ends, it is called the ribbon. And here you have a ruler. According to your requirement, you can change the size of the slide, size of the presentation. So these are the window controllers, these three. You can minimize the screen. So when you minimize, you can see it on the bottom of the screen, so it won't be closed fully. This is full screen button for the screen to display the whole screen as your presentation, and this into mark to close the software. And here you have a help button, and this is the scroll bar for moving these slides up and down. Here this is the slide or outline pan, it is called. Here you can see the slides, number of slides one after the other. How you have presented, it will be showing in the vertical form. So this is the status bar. It will show how many slides your presentation is and in which slide you're currently in. And you can change the theme here. And here this is the notes pan. Here while giving presentation, the points to be remembered, how you write in your class notes, the points to be remembered. So these are the short notes, you can write it. This is not visible to the audience, it can be seen only by you. And when you come here, you can see view options, and this is zoom control. Here you can zoom in and zoom out your screen. So this is the slide area. These are the parts of your MS PowerPoint window. So let us see all the parts in detail. Title bar, It displays the name of the current presentation. As I said you, the title which you have saved for the presentation, it can be on name or any subject, it can be anything. That is the title bar. Quick access toolbar. It contains the most frequently used commands like save, undo, redo. So these are some of the most frequently used commands for saving the presentation. Undo is if you have done any changes and you don't want to do you don't want that changes anymore, the previous before the changes what the screen you had you want, that is undo. Redo is like you have done undo, the changes have went, you want that changes next, so when you click on the redo the changes will appear. Next, Windows controller. It contains three tools to minimize, maximize, and close the PowerPoint window. So, minimizing is, as I said, at the bottom of your screen, you can see the minimized software. It won't be closed permanently. Maximizes the whole screenness of your presentation, and close button, you're closing the software permanently. Menu bar. It contains the office button or file menu and 7 tabs. It contains file menu and 7 tabs. These 7 tabs are home, insert, design, animation, slideshow, review, and view. This is very important. The tabs which are present in menu bar. Next, ribbon. It displays the tools available for the selected tab. So, what are the what are the designs you have selected or any animations, anything that will be displayed in this ribbon. Help. It displays help topic to use Microsoft PowerPoint. So this help gives you the guidelines how to use Microsoft PowerPoint. Ruler. It is used to control the positioning of text and image in the slide. So you want it in exact center, any image in the center, so this ruler will help you. Scroll bar. It is used to move up and down the slides in the presentation. So you can move using the scroller in the mouse. This is the scroll bar. Next, status bar. It displays the slide number of the current slide being viewed and the name of the design theme applied to the slide. So the status bar gives you the number of slides of your presentation and in which slide you are currently there and what theme you have applied to that particular slide. Next, zoom control. It is used to zoom out or zoom in the current slide. The zoom range is from 10% to 400%. So you can zoom the slide with the page which you have, you can zoom in and zoom out. The range is from you can make it up to smaller means minimizes 10%. Maximum you can make up to 400%. Next, slide area. It is the white area where we type text and add images to the slide. So this is a plain slide. This is the slide area. This whole page you can add text, images, audio, videos as per your requirement. Next, notes pan. It is used to write speaker's note that can be helpful while presenting. So as I said, points to remember. You want that point to be told while giving the presentation, but for your remembrance, you will write it as a short note. The notes pan can also be used to write any sort of information about the presentation or individual slide. So you can write what the individual slide you want any important points, like that. The content typed in the notepan will not be displayed in the slideshow. So this is very important. The content typed in the notepan will not be displayed in the slideshow. View options. These are used to view the slides in different modes. There are three modes: normal, slide sorter, and slideshow. Normal view, it is most frequently used view mode. This normal view is the most used view mode. It is used for editing slides while creating a presentation. Slide sorter view. It is used to display all the slides in presentation as a thumbnail in the horizontal sequence. So it will be shown in the horizontal sequence all these slides. It gives a complete overview of the slide and their order. Slide sorter is helpful to rearrange the slides by clicking and dragging of the thumbnails. So you will be having the slides in horizontal. If you want to change their numberings, if you have placed the second page in the third page, you can rearrange them. This slide sorter will help you out. Next, slideshow view. It is used to display the presentation as a slideshow to the audience. In slideshow view, the slide will occupy the full computer screen. This whole computer screen will be occupied by your slide. You can't see any options provided of the presentation software. You won't be seeing anything, only the slide. The whole slide will occupy the full screen. This mode is used when presentation has to be displayed to the audience on a bigger screen using the projector. Slide or outline pans. These are the two tabs in the left side to the slide area. Slides and outline. The slide tab shows a thumbnail version of all the slides in the presentation in the vertical sequence. So it will show in the vertical sequence one after the other. We can click a thumbnail slide to view in the slide area. You may be presently in the first slide. You want to move to the middle slide, some fifth slide. You can directly click on the fifth slide, which is shown vertically, and it will, your text area, your slide area will be the fifth screen. We can also rearrange the slides in presentation by dragging the thumbnails. So like how this slide sorter has given you, even in this you can rearrange the slides. We can also add and delete on the slide pans. The outline tab. This outline tab is used to provide content overview of the topic covered in the presentation. It will give you the overview, what are the topics you have presented. In the first slide only title slide, the second you have given the name as second title and contents, that's all. The third slide contains, third slide as the heading and ABC has the content. So it will show you the overview. It displays only the title and text contains all the slides in the presentation. It does not display the picture or other graphical item. It will display only the text contents and the titles. It won't be showing you any graphics or videos which you have added. We can also rearrange the slides in outline tab by dragging the box next to the slide number. So you can rearrange this by dragging near to the slide number. This is the slide number 1 2 3. You can drag it. Thank you, students.